Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for strawberry flavored Swiss meringue buttercream. It's really delicious. Let's get started.
Familiar ingredients: we need 7 egg whites, 1.5 cups or 300 grams of sugar, 2 cups or 500 grams of butter, half a teaspoon salt, 1 jar about 270 grams of seedless strawberry jam, 2 teaspoons strawberry flavoring, which is optional, but this recipe tends to need it. We begin by separating our eggs. We only need the egg whites. Add the sugar to the heat-proof bowl and whisk them together. Heat over a double boiler until you can no longer feel any grains of sugar and the mixture feels hot to the touch. The egg whites will also be much thinner than cold. The bowl will feel quite warm at this point. Begin whipping the egg white mixture until you reach stiff peaks and the bowl is room temperature. The meringue should be white and glossy and gorgeous. Then cut your butter into pieces about a tablespoon sized. Then begin beating again and add the butter a tablespoon at a time. Make sure your mixture is really room temperature before you add the butter. Scrape the bowl to make sure no butter sticks to the bottom. Now beat the buttercream until it comes together into buttercream consistency. Unfortunately, I had trouble with this batch. It happens, but I don't really want to go into troubleshooting. If you want to see a video on troubleshooting Swiss meringue buttercream, leave me a comment. But I eventually added a bit more butter to get it to come together. Now add the salt and jam at the end, or the flavoring if you decide to go with that. This will slightly color the buttercream a pale pink. This buttercream tastes amazing. It's very strawberry flavored. However, many people don't taste a flavor unless it looks like it should taste like it. So if you want to, add some red and pink food coloring to make it look like strawberry. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.